add friends on TikTok. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is open your TikTok. I'm going to search for my TikTok here. That is it. Open your TikTok. Sorry guys. Okay guys, so now the next thing you're going to do is click on this your profile menu button here. This is your profile, click on it. Then this is it. Now guys, if you look at this button here, click on this, and that's it. So this is a suggested friend from you from TikTok. And if you want to look at your friend, just click on your friends here. So just click on your suggested friend, and this is it. We have three options. You can invite to your contact, you can invite to your Facebook friend, and you can also automatically invite. And these are some there TikTok suggested for you that you can also follow. So if you want to add friends from your Facebook or your contact, just click on contact, and the TikTok is going to bring all your contacts. They are currently on TikTok. They are also using TikTok. So once you click on it, these are all of them here. They are all your contacts, which you can just click on any of them. Once you click on any of them, you follow them. So you just click on any. Okay, now this one, let me click on follow, and you can see follow in. Now let me go and add from my Facebook. Your other thing you can also add from your Facebook friends. Just click on your Facebook friends, and all your Facebook friends that are using TikTok will also pop out here, and you can also follow any one of them. And the other thing you can do is invite friends. Now invite friends so many ways. Let's see. Now this is it. You can invite from Facebook, from WhatsApp. You can copy link. You can invite from Telegram, from Snapchat, from SMS, from email, from your Facebook, and you can also invite those that are not on TikTok yet. So this is it guys. It's also simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.